Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the resolution of the video using CapCut. Alright, after you finish editing the video, you are just going to click the export button in the top right corner and you can see for the resolution option and etc. So you can change the resolution, just click on this option and you can see for the resolution option available here and start from uh, 480 pixel until 4K, so you can change the resolution for better quality. So I am going to select the 1080 pixel and frame rate in 60 fps, so you can see for the size of the video. After you change the resolution, it can be changed the size. Just click export. That's it. I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.